हेलो बच्चों, मैं हूँ आपका टीचर केमिस्ट्री वाला। आज हम क्लास 11 चैप्टर 1 एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। अब हम टॉपिक में जाते हैं। स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ completely filled and half filled subshells. This is going to explain you the stability of why only completely filled and half filled subshells. Okay, the completely filled and half filled subshells are the stable due to the following reason: symmetrical distribution of electron. It is well known that symmetry leads to stability. It completely filled or half filled subshells have symmetry distribution of electrons in them, which will be more stable. See, I'll show you this. No, nothing. Okay, see this symmetry. If you take p orbital, this p x, p y, p z. Now you have to fill them. And if you have like if you take carbon, 1s2 2s2 2p 2 1s2 2s2 2p2, so it will be like this for carbon in p orbital only. This is px, this is py, be one electron only, but the pz is not filled. If you take nitrogen, 1s2 2s2 2p3, everything is filled. So if after seeing this is more stable or this is more stable, this is more stable. Nitrogen has more stable configuration than carbon. Okay, that is it. Next, exchange energy. 1 minute, I have to bring the slide up. ले लो, slide आ गया. Exchange energy. The stabilizing effect arises whenever two or more electrons with the same spin are present in degenerating orbitals of a subshell. I have explained you. This is p x, p y, p z. Okay, two or more electrons, that means 3, I think so. 3 electrons are there or 6 electrons are there, means this is more stable. This has more stable spin, same spin over here, like that, same. Okay, next, these electrons tends to exchange their positions, and the energy released due to the exchange of is called exchange energy. First, stable electrons try to exchange them, so they lose energy, gain stability. The more energy, the less stability. Okay, I'm writing very bad, but no problem, let's leave it. The number of exchanges that can take place is maximum when the subshell is entirely either half filled or completely filled. I have drinking some H2O, so I'm going to tell you. See, they told after exchanging the electrons has highest exchanging of electrons has highest in if it is half filled or full filled. Okay. As a result, the exchange energy will be maximum at energy will be maximum, and so is the stability. See, half filled and completely filled orbitals have lose more energy from exchange energy, so that is what they are saying. And if they lose energy, they of course have stability also. Okay, number of exchanges in an atom is what I did, sigma. That's not sigma, right? This is sigma. N minus 1. What is n here? N is the number of electrons having parallel spin. Okay, that's it. Exchange energy is equal to n into n minus 1. Here also n is n into n minus 1 by 2. Here also n is the electrons having parallel spin. Next, I have to find the picture. Now see this amazing picture you have got over here. See, from the first electron at the exchange, 4 exchanges by 1 electron. It can go to see here, it can go to here, it can go to here, it can travel anywhere in these orbitals. So it has 4 exchanges by only 1 electron. There are 3 exchanges by electron 2, because it can't go to 1, so it can't go to 1, so it can go to like 3, 4, 5. And there are like 2 exchanges for 3 electrons. It will be like this is the third one, so it will be like 2, 3, 4, and 2 exchanges for, it can come either this way or neither, either this way or not this way. Okay, next 1 minute. I have got the sound. I'll just then like 2 exchanges for 4 electrons over here in this picture, but in this picture there's only 1 exchange. It can go from here to either the 5th orbital, but that doesn't come back to that orbital, the original one. Let's go to the next topic, magnetic moment. I'll find the slide for this too. Let's start magnetic moment. The magnetic moment produced due to the spin of the electrons may be calculated by the formula U, which is spin only, is equal to under root n into n plus 2 into Bm, Boltzmann constant. Okay, here n is the number of unpaired electrons present in the neutral atom or its ions. The greater the value of n, I'll not take the picture. No problem, I'll only explain you. The greater the value of n, that means the greater the value of unpaired electrons, the greater the magnetic moment. Okay, that's it. Alternative form of spin only formula. In equation 1, we can write the spin only formula in terms of unpaired electrons and Boltzmann constant, of course. An alternative form of the equation in terms of the total spin quantum number. Okay, total spin quantum number. The spin quantum number determines the magnitude of the spin angular momentum of an electron, and has a value of 1/2. The total spin quantum number S is given by number of unpaired electrons. Is number of unpaired electrons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The total spin quantum number will be, for first unpaired electron will be half. For the second one will be 1/2. Did I take this photo or not? Here is it. Unpaired electron. Okay, that's it. Let me search. This is the photos. 1 unpaired electron, half the spin quantum number. 2 unpaired electrons, 1 is the spin quantum number. 3 unpaired electrons, 3/2 is the spin quantum number. 4 are the electrons, so 2 is the spin quantum number. 5 is the electrons and 5 unpaired electrons, so 5/2 is the spin quantum number. Since S is equal to n into half, or n/2, or n is equal to 2s, we can rewrite the spin only formula in the form of, it will be like 4s into s plus 1. 4s into s plus 1. Why? I'll show you. See, n is 2s, right? 2s into 2s plus 2 2bm. Okay, get the rid of Boltzmann constant. 2s into 2bm. N is equal to, what is n? N is equal to 2s. Substitute in the formula of on spin only formula equation. Mu is equal to n into n plus 2 Boltzmann constant. So if you keep 2s in the formula, 2s plus 2 bm. Many people ask me, why does the 4 come here? See, 2s plus 2. Here 2 is common, so we'll take out 2 outside. So s plus 1 bm. 2s into 2. Now delete that. Mu is equal to 4s, which is 2s into 2, s plus 1. That's it. Completed the chapter, guys. The atomic structure is completed. We have kept so many days of atomic structure, so I'm very happy to complete atomic structure. So everyone, meet you tomorrow. I'm just kidding. I'm going to upload another video today only. Bye. Like, share and subscribe to Chemistry Wala. Oh, one thing I forgot. Somebody kept a comment that he wants $100. So I'm going to give him $100. He gave me his phone number privately, but I'm not going to reveal that. So he gave me. I have given him $100 like yesterday only, because I'm a night guy. So I think I slept at 2 o'clock. So I have given him $100. So inform him. Okay. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to Chemistry Wala. That's the end.